You always wanted one like that?
Yeah.
Me too. What is it? Wow. Oh, that's a nice one.
What?
You can play that with Cameron.
What?
Kayla, here, you want some of these?
Go get a garbage bag, Mama.
That one? Okay.
Garbage bag, Mama.
Oh, okay.
So we started, you need to keep
Well, I'm
that
trying to
with
take a video. So, Daddy, go get a garbage bag.
Oh,
What did Caleb get?
Slushy?
Aww.
That's for me.
Okay, wait. Well, okay, go ahead. Yeah, that one's from Santa.
Hey, it's a game for me.
What?
I got this!
What is it?
Donuts! Mint!
Now, headphones. You're so cute.
Mommy!
Tell Daddy!
Oh. Look at what I got!
Oh my gosh!